Okay. So l'alphabet français is something that we've already covered, but there is one small thing that we have to add to this alphabet français. Okay. Now remember, like English has vowels. Okay. Do you remember the vowels in English? Let me know in the chat कौन से vowels होते हैं English में. Very good, Ishan. Yes, very good, Param. Amberlin, Himani, correct. Yeah, very good, Moksha. So most of you know it in the correct order, and all of the words, all of the letters are correct. So A, as you've told, A, E, I, O, and U. These are the vowels in English. Okay, I have highlighted them over here. जैसे आपने मुझे चैट में बताया वैसे ही मैंने उसको यहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया ऑन द स्क्रीन. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in English as well as in French. Okay, याद रखो ये हमारे फ्रेंच में भी vowels है same, but there is more addition to it now. Okay, H mute. Okay, H mute. H mute मतलब जब भी H silent होता है, जब भी H को pronounce नहीं करते. And Y. These are also vowels in French. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, H mute, and Y. These are the vowels in French. Note it down. Vowels in French are A, E, I, O, U, H mute, and Y. These are the vowels in French. Let me know once you are done noting down so that we can go ahead. हमको दो एक्स्ट्रा याद रखने हैं, H and Y. Okay, remember these two are also vowels in French, H and Y. Done noting down? Let me know in the chat. Done. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, now you see some of the accents on the screen, right? I am going to unmute you one by one and you will tell me कौन सा accent आपको दिख रहा है on the screen. I'll place the cursor. Cursor देखो कहाँ पे जा रहा है and accordingly you tell me which cursor is it. So Prachi from JB. Prachi, click on unmute.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
Prachi, tell me ये वाला कौन सा accent है?
Grave accent.
Yes, you can pronounce it as grave. Okay, not grave, grave. Accent grave.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Prachi. Thank you. Mute yourself here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to Amberlin now. Amberlin, click on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Amberlin, ये वाला कौन सा accent है?
Ma'am, Saucidale.
Very good. It's C Sedia. C Sedia. Okay. Very good,
Okay, miss.
Amberlin. Mute yourself, dear. Thank you. Then next we ask Ramandeep. Ramandeep, click on unmute, Ramandeep. Yeah,
Hi,
Ramandeep,
miss.
ये कौन? Bonjour, bonjour, Ramandeep. ये कौन से accents है, Ramandeep? Which accents are these? The two dots above the letter E and I. Ramandeep, you can use the lifeline as well. You can ask your friend for help. Okay. It seems Ramandeep is on mute. Ramandeep, click on unmute once again. Are you able to hear me, Ramandeep? Click on unmute. Okay. Others, are you able to hear me? Yes. Okay. Amberlin, since you can't hear me, I would want you to disconnect and connect your audio once again. Okay. Try to disconnect and connect. I'll put that in chat for you in case you're not able to hear me at all. Amberlyn, look in the chat. Disconnect and connect once again your audio. Okay, Amberlyn, that's for you. Disconnect and connect your audio once again. All right. Till then, we'll ask this question to Ishan. Okay, Ishan's mic is not working today. Nishita. Nishita from JB, I guess. Let's see. Yes. Nishita, click on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Nishita, tell me which accent is this one? Look at the cursor.
Circumflex accent.
Very good. Okay. Nishita, continue. Which accent is this one now? Look at the cursor.
Acute accent.
Very good. Very, very good. Which accent is this one now, Nishita?
Grave accent.
Very good. Thank you, Nishita. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now, if you remember, we have already covered the numbers. Do you remember till where did we complete? How many numbers did we complete? Let me know in the chat. 20. Very good. So, Tanishka, I am unmuting you. Click on unmute, Tanishka. Very good. Good to know you all remember. We finished till 20.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Hi, Tanishka.
Hi, miss.
Okay. Tanishka, I want you to tell me the numbers from 1 to 10 in French.
Okay, miss. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Thank you, Tanishka.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. Next. Let's see. Siddhali from Ghatkopar. Siddhali, click on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhali, I want you to tell me from 11 to 20.
Okay, ma'am. Ons, dos, tres, cuatros, queen, seis, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt.
Very good. Very, very good, Siddhali. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. So are these numbers clear for everyone till here? Any doubt so far? Shall we go ahead? Okay. No doubt. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now we know 10 and we know 20. Let's do multiples of 10 now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. पहले वो करते हैं. Okay. So 10 and 20, something you already know. 10 is these, 20 is one. Okay. 30. Okay. Listen to me carefully. 30 is trente. 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 30, trente. 40, quarante. Trente, quarante. 50, cinquante. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 60, 60. 60, 60. Once again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, does anyone want to try now? Is anyone ready? Do you still want me to repeat? In the chat, let me know. Okay. Very good. Ishan is using the word répéter. Very, very good, Ishan. That's good to see you are using French. So others, you can also do the same. Remember, we've done the French words, the common words used in class: répéter, s'il vous plaît, silence, ouvrez le livre, fermez le livre, bonjour, bonsoir, and so on. You can use them over here. Yeah, okay. So let's repeat. Since you say repeat, 10. We start from again 10. These, went, 20 went, 30 tront, 40 quarante, 50 cinquante, 60 soixante. These, went, tront, quarante, cinquante, soixante. These, went, tront, quarante, cinquante, soixante. These, went, trente, quarante, cinquante, soixante. All right. Now I'm going to unmute Ayushi from DN. Ayushi, click on unmute. Yes. Yeah, Ayushi, I want you to try. It's okay if you go wrong, but I want you to at least give an attempt. Okay.
Okay, miss. These went, trente, quarante, cinquante, soixante.
Perfect. Very good. क्या बात है आयुषी? Perfectly pronounced किया. Very good. Thank you, Ayushi.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. Now we unmute Harsh from DN. Harsh, click on unmute Harsh. Can you hear me, Harsh? Okay, it seems he's not able to hear me. Moksha from Ghatkopar.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Moksha, quickly read the numbers, number names.
Yes, miss. These went, trente, quarante, cinquante, soixante.
Very good, very, very good. Thank you, dear. Okay. Now I will give you 1 minute. Go through the spellings quickly. We have worked on pronunciation, but what is very important now is also to know the spellings. So I will leave this a few seconds. Learn the spellings. Let me know in the chat once you are done with the spellings as well. Very good. Ishan says done. Prachi is done. Amandeep is done. Param is done. Wow, good. So fast you all are. Okay, let's go ahead then, since you all are done with the spelling as well. Okay, now 21. Okay, 21 is made up of 20 plus 1. So we are going to write it as vant a vant a. बीच में et जो है ना et, that is and. Okay, et in between vant and is and. Vant a 21. ओके वैन 21. तो ये ईटी जनरली 1 में आता है. 21, 31, 41, 51. ये बीच में जो ईटी है दैट विल जनरली कम इन all the ones, 21, 31, 41 and so on. All right, most of the ones will have this et in between, remember. Then 22 is quite easy. Van the है ना, we are simply writing 20 and we are writing 2. What else are we doing? Putting a hyphen in between. Ekdam simple. Now I'm going to unmute one person and tell me. Okay. Let's unmute Nicandro. Nicandro, click on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Nicandro 23 क्या होगा बताओ मुझे.
Wang et toi.
अच्छा, ET ना खाली वंस में आता है निकांद्रो, रिमेम्बर. अभी 22 में मैंने ET नहीं लिखा ना. व्हाट डिड आई डू इंस्टेड?
Okay, ma'am.
हाइफन डाल दिया ना मैंने. रिमेम्बर, सी, लुक एट द स्क्रीन.
Yes, ma'am.
या, सो नाउ निकांद्रो करेक्ट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल मी 23 फिर से.
Okay. Wang toi.
Very good, very good. Van Trua and the hyphen in between. Yes, Nicandro, continue. 24.
Wang quatre.
Very
Wang
good.
quatre.
Very good. Van Catra. Thank you, Nicandro. Okay. So you see, class, we are just repeating the numbers that we already know. 20 हमको आता है, 1, 2, 3, 4 भी आता है. We are mixing them and we are getting a new number. Van Ter 21. Van the 22. Van Trua 23. Van Catra 24. Okay. I unmute Himani from Vile Parle. Himani, click on unmute.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, Himani, tell me 25.
Van sink.
Very good. Go ahead.
Van sees.
Very good. Next.
Van sept.
Yes, next.
Van meet.
29.
Van north.
And 30. Do you remember 30? Multiples of 10 किया हमने.
Tronte.
Very good. Very good. अच्छा, अभी पे attention ना. 21 कैसे लिखा है? Went a. वैसे ही मुझे 31 बताओ.
Tronte.
Very good, Himani. Very good. Okay. या, सो बीच में ET लिखना है. क्यों ET? ET क्योंकि यहाँ पे फिर से 1 आया ना. 31 है ना. So whenever you are
Yes.
writing all the ones, 21, 31, 41, बीच में ET डालना है instead of hyphen. Remember this very well. Yes, Ishan, ET means and. Yeah,
Can I
Himani.
mute myself?
No, Himani, continue. 32.
Yes. Tronte the.
Okay, Tronte नहीं है Himani, Tront.
Tront the.
हाँ, 33.
Tront trua.
Very good. 34.
Tront quatre.
Very good. 35.
Tron sank.
Yeah, continue.
Tron sees. Tron sept.
Yes,
Tron tweet.
very good.
Tron nuff.
And 40. What is it? अच्छा, स्पेलिंग याद है? स्पेलिंग याद है हिमानी?
Yes, miss.
अच्छा, चलेगा. स्पेलिंग बता दो.
Quarante.
Perfect. Caront. Repeat after me, Himani. Caront.
Caront.
Very good.
Caront.
So everyone, have you understood? ये कितना easy है अभी, है ना? You see, you're mixing the two numbers and you're getting a new one. Thank you, Himani. Is everything clear so far till 40? Everyone in the chat, please do let me know. Any doubt so far? Clear. Very good. Very good. So you see, we've covered till 40, but let's go ahead and check more numbers. Okay. Let me know who wants to try now. 41 to 50. 41 to 50 किसको try करना है? Okay. Param, I'm unmuting you. Param, click on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Param 41.
Quarante.
Very good. Very good. Class, you see, he remembered because ये 41 है. Quarante. वो बराबर से उसने ET डाला बीच में. Yes. Param, continue.
Quarante.
Very good. Next.
Caron Trua.
Mm-hmm.
Caron Catre.
Yes.
Caron Cinq.
Very good.
Caron Six.
Yes.
Caron Sept.
Hmm.
Caron Youth.
Wheat.
Huit.
Next.
Caron Neuf.
And 50.
Cinquante.
Very good. Very, very good. Thank you, Param.
Welcome.
Okay. Now we are going to ask Swayam. Swayam, click on unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Swayam 51.
Cinquante EU.
Very good.
Cinquante EU.
Sancon. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sancont A. Okay.
Cinquante
Very good. Continue.
Cinquante deux.
Very good.
53.
Yes.
54.
Yes.
55.
Very good.
56.
Fantastic.
57.
Yes.
58.
Very good.
59.
Yes. Soixante.
60.
Repeat once again.
51.
Soixante.
52.
नहीं, I mean only 60 repeat करो. Soixante. Okay.
60.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Swayam. Okay. Till 60 is everything clear? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, good to know. Okay. So you see everything is repetitive. हमको खाली multiples of 10 अच्छे से याद रहा तो you will remember the rest of the numbers. Again, what is very important? Yes, हम लोग को 0 to 20 तो याद रखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये numbers different है. Once you know till 20, then you only need to know multiples of 10. I will again display the multiples of 10 and then we'll have a small practice in the chat. Okay. So here are the words. Once again, go through the spellings. Geese, vant, tront, caront, cinquante, soixante. Let me know when you are done in the chat. Okay. अभी मुझे chat में बताओ how do you write and? Wow, good, 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 perfect. सबने correctly लिखा है. All right. अभी अच्छे से सुनो number. Everyone will type only that number in the chat. Okay. I want you to type number 25. Words में लिखना, numbers मत भेजना. 25. Very good. Amberlin, it's perfect except hyphen in between. Don't forget the hyphen. Very good. Ishan, Himani, Amberlin, Ayushi, Prachi. Okay. Bansi, Vant का spelling एक extra H लिख दिया है आपने. Swayam, very good. Tanishka, very good. Ramandeep, good. Okay. Now, I want you to write the number 38. Wow, very good, Swayam. That was fast. Ishan, Himani, Param, Prachi, perfect. Very, very good. Siddhi, Nishita, सबने perfectly लिखा है. Adit, yes. Fantastic. Awesome. Great. Good going. Bansi, good. Now from 43 in the chat. Very good, Amberlin. Put the hyphen Ishan in between. Swayam, Himani, correct. Very good. Muksha, Adit, Ayushi, Nishita, Siddhi, 3. 43, 40 13 नहीं है ना, आपने 13 लिख दिया बाय मिस्टेक. 3 is what? Trua. Caron, Trua. सिद्धाली करेक्ट योरसेल्फ. वापस से आंसर डालो चैट में. वेरी गुड बंसी, रमनदीप, प्राची. सिद्धाली आई वांट यू टू करेक्ट योरसेल्फ. चैट में फिर से डालो 43. वेरी गुड सिद्धाली, नाउ इट इज करेक्ट. वेरी गुड निकांद्रो. कैरॉन का स्पेलिंग QUARANTE. ट्रुआ इज करेक्ट, हाइफन इज करेक्ट. कैरॉन का स्पेलिंग में लास्ट में IN नहीं, E है. ऑलराइट, ओके. नाउ टाइप द नंबर 51. 51. Very good, Ishan, Prachi, Ayushi, Nishita, Amberlin. Very good, Moksha, Ramandeep. क्या बात है, perfect. Yes, Swayam, great. Bansi, Nikandro, Himani. Yes, good, good. Okay, awesome. Now put the number 66. 66 in the chat. क्या बात है, ये तो हमने किया भी नहीं, फिर भी परफेक्ट लिखा. क्या बात है, परफेक्ट. Swazon is 60, so 66 is Swazon. C is perfect. Very good, very very good. Okay. Now put the number 15. 15. 15. Very good, Param, Himani, Tanishka. Yes, Siddhali, good. Adit, Nishita, Amberlin, Prachi. Good, great. Now 50. 50. Very good, Himani, Swayam. सैंकॉन का स्पेलिंग में सैंक का स्पेलिंग यूज करने का. CINQ, CONQ नहीं. हाँ, ओके. रेस्ट ऑफ यू हैव टाइप्ड करेक्टली. वेरी गुड. नाउ द नंबर 16. 16. वाओ, सुपर, परफेक्ट स्पेलिंग लिख रहे हो. एवरीवन इज करेक्ट. क्या बात है, सब पढ़ के आए आज. वेरी वेरी गुड. Okay, so I hope the numbers are clear since you are putting the correct spellings in the chat. Let's go ahead now. Okay, so we've covered till 60, remember. All right, now we'll go ahead and check the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, we, you all and they. अच्छा, अभी फ्रेंच में कैसे होता है? फ्रेंच में फर्स्ट पर्सन मतलब हमेशा आई होता है. आई. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू से आई, यू विल से je. ओके, आई. लुक एट द कर्सर, इट्स गिवन हियर, आई. नाउ आई इज सिंगुलर ना, मैं एक ही बंदा है. आई, जस्ट वन पर्सन, सो इट्स कमिंग अंडर सिंगुलर कॉलम. ऑलराइट, आई. je is I, one person, so singular. Then tu matlab you, again one person. When I say you, it's just one person, है ना? So again it comes under singular. Remember, it is not tu, it is tu. Okay, tu नहीं बोल, tu. याद रखना है इसका pronunciation. Then he and she, again one person. He बोला तो it's just one person. Il, ill. And for she, it's L, E. So let's see, I, you, he, she क्या है? Je, tu, il, elle. Je, tu, il, elle. I, you, he, she. सब सिंगुलर है ना? सब एक पर्सन ही है. I, one person. You, one person. He, when I talk about him, it's one person. She, again one person. So remember, all of these will come under singular column. I, you, he, she. Je, tu, il, elle. I repeat. Je, thew, ill, el. Okay, je, thew, ill, el. Okay, that's the singular column. Let's go ahead in the plural column now. I is one person. Okay, तो उसका plural है we, all of us. Just I, and उसका plural all of us, we is nu. तो remember je का plural nu, I का plural जैसे we है वैसे je का plural form nu, je का plural form nu, I, we, je, nu. Okay, Ishan, I'll come to that, just hold on. Okay, je, nu, I, we. Clear? Okay, thew का plural वो. Okay, now दोनों जगह ब्रैकेट में u लिख रहा है. The difference here is first वाला u is just one person u, and plural column में जो u है ना, that refers to you all. When I talk to you all, I say you finish your work. It means I'm referring to you all my students. You see? Understanding now, Ishan? दो बार u क्यों है ब्रैकेट में? Q is one person you, and who is a lot of people you all. Okay, so Q का plural who, Q का plural who. Okay, अभी who का और एक मीनिंग भी है. Remember, who का और एक मीनिंग भी है. तो who जैसे मैंने plural column में डाला है, who can also be used in the singular form. कैसे? कभी? Let's see. Okay, if you want to talk to some elder person, okay, जैसे let's say you want to talk to your mom or your dad, okay, so you will not call them tu, right? है ना? You will call them what? आप, है ना? So when you want to call somebody आप, we use वो, and in that case वो is singular. So who could be used in the singular form as well as in the plural form. It depends on whom you are speaking to. When I'm speaking to all of you, my students, I will call you who. मतलब plural वाला who I'm using, you all. But when I speak to someone elder to me, I will call that person आप. And in that case, I'm speaking to only one person, है ना? आप. So I will call him or her who. Okay. Who is used for two reasons. One, it's plural of thew. Two, it's used to give respect to some elder. जब भी किसी को आप बोलना हो ना, तभी. Am I clear? Are the two uses of who very clear to you all? If you want, you can note down. Who is equal to plural of thew, and who is also used for elders when you want to refer to up. Okay, Ishan, that is there in the book. I will come back to that one. First, we focus on subject pronouns. All right. So, are the two things clear? The two uses of who clear? Everyone, let me know. सबको समझा? Who कभी use होता है? There are two cases when who is used. Okay. Then ills and else. Okay. Ills. इल का प्लूरल इल्स, बहुत सिंपल है, खाली एस लगा देने का इल को, इट बिकम्स इल्स. सिमिलरली एल का प्लूरल एल्स, ELLES. अब एक चीज याद रखो, इल, IL इल एंड ILS इल्स, दोनों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन इल ही होता है. ऑल्दो देयर इज एन एस एट द एंड इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म, वो प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना होता है. ओके, वो साइलेंट होता है. सो एल का भी सिमिलर फॉर्म, एल का भी सिमिलर फॉर्म में प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है. एल एंड एल्स नहीं बोलते, दोनों को भी एल बोलते हैं. बट आई विल प्रोनाउंस इट एज इल्स एंड एल्स सो दैट इट्स इजियर फॉर यू टू फिगर आउट मैं सिंगुलर वाला इल बोल रही हूँ कि प्लूरल वाला इल्स बोल रही हूँ. ऑल राइट, बट रिमेंबर दोनों इल एंड दोनों ही एल होता है, दोनों का प्रोनाउंसिएशन इल एंड एल होता है. फॉर our ease, I will call these words as ills and else. Okay, so okay, ills is used again for two cases. All right, तो ills कभी use होता है? One, when I'm referring to all the boys, a group of boys. All right, ills है ना, he का plural है, तो when I say too many boys, he, too many of them, It's ills. Similarly, else क्या होगा? It will be a group of what? Let me know in the chat. Yes, very good Param. Very good Himani. Bansi, Prachi, Ishan. Okay. So else is going to be a group of girls. जैसे ills is a group of boys, वैसे ही else is group of girls. अभी आप पूछोगे मिस व्हाट इफ द क्लास इज फुल ऑफ अ ग्रुप विच हैज बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स बोथ, दोनों भी है ग्रुप में, तो क्या लिखेंगे? In that case you will use ills, ILS. When you have a group of boys as well as girls in the when you have a group of boys and girls both, you're going to use ills. Am I clear? Else is specifically used for group of girls only. ठीक है? अगर else suppose there are 10 girls and when there is one boy also in the group, we are still going to use ills. Clear? Okay. Now let me see, put the correct subject pronoun in the chat. All right. I say param. Okay. Param को subject pronoun में लिखो. What subject pronoun will you use for param? I, you, he, she, we, you, they में से try to write in French. Very good Prachi. Very good Himani, Moksha, Ishan. परम क्यों नहीं है ना? परम इज ही, इल है ना, बराबर. फॉर मी व्हेन आई से परम ने ऐसा किया, परम ने वैसा किया, आई विल से he did like this, he did not listen, he did not finish his work, or he is very smart, he finishes his work on time. I will say he, right? So ill, param, he, ill. All right. Now I say ayushi. आयुषी के लिए क्या सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन लिखोगे? वेरी गुड ईशान, हिमानी, प्राची, निशिता, बंसी. वेरी वेरी गुड. ओके. नाउ आई से you and I, all of us. Then what is the subject pronoun? You all and I. Very good Prachi. Okay. Whenever you and I मतलब we ना, बराबर. अच्छे से सोचो. You and I मतलब we, so that becomes nu. You and I is nu. Okay. Now if I want to say Swayam and Param, what will I use for Swayam and Param? Very good, very good. Perfect. The answers are coming up perfectly. Siddhali, Ayushi, Nishita, Bansi, Himani. Good, great. Now if I want to say Siddhali and Bansi, तो मैं क्या लिखूं? Very good, very very good, very good, superb, excellent. अच्छा. Now I want to say Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma. क्या बात है, very very good. अच्छा. Now I'm talking to elder person and मुझे उसको आप बोलना है, आप. What will I write? Wow, great, very very good, excellent. तो ये अच्छे से समझा है आपको. Okay. Now listen to the situation carefully, huh? Okay. It is an elder person who is talking to two children. Okay. Elder person is talking to two children. दो जन से बात कर रहा है. तो what will he refer them? त्यू कभी त्यू सिंगुलर होता है ना बंसी, मोक्षा. So even though elder person is talking to two children, दो जन है ना, तो वो उन लोग को क्या बुलाएगा? You both. You both मतलब क्या? वो है ना. Remember you का plural वो. So the elder person will talk to the two children by referring to them as वो. Okay, he will refer to them as वो. Okay. Now let's say Ishan is talking to Param. तो ईशान परम को क्या बोलेगा? वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट. अच्छा. व्हाट विल आई कॉल माई सेल्फ? वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट, क्या बात है, सुपर. नाउ लेट्स से Amberlyn is talking to Amitabh Bachchan. What will she call him? Wow, great, great, great. Acha. Now it is yeah, Deepika and Ranveer. Very good, Himani. Very good, Tanishka, Moksha, Ishan, Ayushi. क्यों 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 दो जन है ना, दीपिका पादुकोण एंड रणवीर सिंह, दो जन हैं. So what will we call them? They, है ना? They is what? Is. Remember when I said you have a group of boy and girl, both boys and girls both, it's always is. अच्छा, now I say धोनी and विराट, तो क्या लिखोगे? धोनी and विराट. Yes, perfect, perfect, very good. तो समझ रहा है मतलब अभी. All right. अभी I will say दीपिका and अनुष्का, तो क्या लिखोगे? Yes. Very good. Great. Okay. All right. So you've understood the subject pronouns. You will find these subject pronouns on page number 4 of your textbook. Okay. I will display the page number 4 so that you know where you have to look for. Hold on. Let me share the screen. Let me share the textbook with you all. Yeah, so just hold on 1 minute. It's almost done. Okay, so you see this yellow box? Are you all able to see the yellow box? Yes, okay. So when you want to learn this, you can always refer to page number 4 of your textbook, yellow box, subject pronouns. So वो same. अभी यहाँ पे आप ब्रैकेट में देखोगे ना, तो you have been given look at the second column, singular column. वहाँ पे Q and who भी दिया है singular में, है ना? So this is something that I have already explained. Who could be used in the singular form also. अभी जब भी किसी को क्या बोलना है, chat में बताओ. When is who used in the singular form? Very good. When you want to call someone up. Perfect, Ishan, Param, very good. Okay. अभी textbook में meanings नहीं दिया है. So I want you to write down the meanings quickly with pencil. Quickly बताते जाओ मुझे chat में जॉब के लिए क्या लिखोगे? Very good, मोक्षा. जॉब के लिए I. Great. लिखते जाओ, बुक में भी लिखते जाओ साथ में. जॉब के लिए I. Wow, Ishan says already written. Good, good. Q के लिए and who के लिए क्या लिखोगे? Perfect, Moksha, Ishan, Ayushi, perfect. All right. No, Moksha, V नहीं. You, हाँ, you, Y-O-U. इल के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? इल. Very, very good. Nishita, Param, Bansi, Ayushi, Tanishka. L. Now L. Very good. Perfect. L is she. So I repeat, je is I, Q and who is you, il is he, L is she. Okay, o we will skip as of now. I will come back to o in a minute. Who के नीचे आप लिख सकते हो आप. Okay, in the singular column जो who है ना, there you can write down in Hindi आप, A-A-P या हिंदी वाला आप, however you feel comfortable. Then in the plural column, what will you write for nu? Very good, very good, very good, excellent. Acha. Now for the who form, what will you write? Yeah, you all, okay, because it's plural, specifically plural column में दिया है, तो you will write you all. Acha. Now ils, I-L-S. Very good, they. And similarly else. Else is also they, but remember else has to be specifically they feminine. All girls. Okay? They feminine. Feminine plural. क्योंकि ज्यादा है ना गर्ल्स ग्रुप है. So they feminine and plural both. Acha. One more thing you will note down now. I will put this thing in the chat. Whenever you have anyone plus mua in a sentence, you will always replace that with nu. Anyone plus mua is always nu. For example, I say Siddhali and I. Siddhali and I becomes we. है ना बराबर. वैसे ही Siddhali a mua becomes nu. Getting me? Anyone plus mua is always equal to nu. वैसे ही anyone plus tua will be who. Okay? ये नोट में डालो. anyone plus mua is nu. anyone plus tua is who. Okay. Now tell me, what will you write if I say Siddhali e tua? Siddhali e tua के लिए subject pronoun क्या लिखोगे? Very good, Himani. Very good, very good. Okay. Now I change it to Siddhali e mua. Perfect. समझा मतलब ये. Okay. Oh, let's come back to indefinite pronoun here. O-N-O. है ना? O-N-O दिख रहा है? That is an indefinite pronoun. So you can translate that as one, we or they, depending on the context. Context समझ के आपको समझ में आएगा उसका translation क्या लिखना है. What fits there perfectly. It could be either one, we or they. O-N-O can be translated as one, we or they. It is indefinite pronoun. For example, if I want to say one should not use mobile in the class, है ना? Indefinite मतलब that applies to all of us. I'm not naming anyone. It's general, है ना? So it's on. Then one should be waiting when the signal is red, है ना? So it is a very, very indefinite pronoun that applies to all of everyone. Then when I say one should finish the work, then it could also mean we should finish the work. So basically it depends on the context. The translation will either be one, we or they. तो जब ये अगर सेंटेंस में आएगा चैप्टर में तभी परफेक्टली अच्छे से समझेगा. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस इन डिटेल व्हेन इट कम्स इन द चैप्टर. तभी समझेगा कि इसका ट्रांसलेशन हमने वन क्यों किया या वी क्यों किया या दे क्यों किया, क्योंकि तभी कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिया होगा वहां पे, स्टोरी कुछ दिया रहेगा तो उसमें समझेगा कि यहाँ पे इसका ट्रांसलेशन ये कैसे आया. ऑलराइट, सो यू कैन एज ऑफ नाउ इन द ब्रैकेट पुट ओ as one, we or they. All right, is everything clear so far? Are the subject pronouns clear? Let me know in the chat. सबको subject pronoun समझा? Yes, very good. Okay, so we just have 3 minutes left. In the 3 minutes, I'll quickly summarize what we covered so far. Firstly, we finished the number Okay. Are you all able to hear me, class? Please do let me know in the chat. दिशा का चालू थी वो. Are you all able to hear me? Yes. Okay. Great. Superb. So now remember, I was saying, I'll just take 1 minute. Your homework is you write 0 to 60 in your notebook 2 times, and you write down the subject pronouns table 2 times in notebook. Okay. Am I clear? 2 times subject pronouns का table and 2 times 0 to 60 number names. खाली नंबर मत लिखना, हाँ, नंबर नेम्स लिखना है, स्पेलिंग्स लिखना है फ्रेंच में, इंग्लिश में नहीं. All right. So we'll stop here. Okay. Have a good night. Bye bye. Take care. In case anyone missed the homework thing, please help me. Okay? Tell them what the homework was.